your alcohol, we need more options. Need more dancers, oh, we way too poppin'. In love with ice and chains, I'm way too flashy.
Maybe helping me rest. Cop a condo and dress it up, but the penthouse stress. Bad bitch on my chest. I upgraded, got some baguettes. I only watch the flicks. I cop a big body on flicks, but I still remember the J's. I ran this shirt up and I blessed it. Out of my bullet petite. Need a mobile commode, I'm shin. I fuck with you till you extinct. Hey, rest on my jean like they mean. Yeah, I feel it low with that pink. I just got a plain Jane Cubic. I'm put.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the Apple Watch unboxing video. I put a poll up on Twitter like, would you guys like to watch the Apple Watch unboxing video? You guys voted yes. It was like 80% yes, and I don't know how much no. It was only a couple no's, so I'm like, alright, you know what, we're just gonna make the video. Now, I've been waiting to open this, guys. I've been waiting to open this. I haven't been able to because I haven't been able to record. And I could have been opened it, but I was like, you know what, I'm trying to make the video on this unboxing, so I'm gonna just wait. So I've been waiting like a week at least to open this. I've been had this package for a week, and I haven't even been to open my watch because I've been waiting for this video. But let's get right into it, guys. Let's start unboxing the Apple Watch itself. So that's whatever, you know, regular box. Nothing special about that. So we're gonna open up this box and we're gonna see what's inside. I got the black one, guys, in the 42, the size 42, and the space gray, I mean, with the black sports band. Let's see how it looks. Like I said, man, I haven't been able to open this, guys, because I've been waiting to do this unboxing video. So I'm eager that I'm finally gonna get to open it. Alright, so right here we have the paper with the address and all that stuff, so we're not gonna show you guys that, but what comes inside, you know, simple. They put a little shit right there. Don't really care about that. Alright, we're not even gonna care about that. We don't care. It's nothing special. So right here you guys can see, let's see if it focuses up. It's the Apple Watch Series 3. The Series 3 and 42 space gray with the black sports band. It's not gonna focus up. I wanted to focus up so you guys can see. Let's see if it focuses. Alright, guys, so for this part, man, it brings like a little clear plastic. You probably can't really see it on the camera. Well, you can see it because it's shining off the reflection. You can kind of see the reflection right there. It's like reflecting off. That's it, man. This doesn't focus up, but it says the Watch 3, the size 42. There's also two sizes. I'm informing you guys a little bit because some people aren't familiar with the Apple Watch. Some people are, though. We're gonna open this up a little bit, just make a little hole in this plastic. I'm not trying to really damage the box because I do like to keep the Apple Watch, not the Apple Watch, the Apple boxes. Like all the phones I've had the Apple Watches, the Apple boxes. I'm sorry, like the phones and all that. So you know, you take off this little plastic it comes in, and then here we have it, Apple Watch. Maybe it'll focus up without the thing. Nah, it's just not that. Alright, so right here, guys, we're gonna open it up, man. Like I said, man, I've been waiting for this moment. Here we go, y'all. Alright, so right there we have the little designed by Apple. Probably is the manual and all that stuff. It's not gonna focus in. I don't know why it doesn't focus in. Right here, let's look into this before we get into the actual watch. So what comes in here is probably just the manual, all that types of stuff. So we take this out. It has a quick startup guide, how to start up the watch, how to do that. This, I'm not sure what it is. I guess it's the rights or whatever. And then right here we have another sports band. I believe this one is a large, and it comes with the. Oh no, this one is a small. This is the small sports band. You guys can see that. Yo, this is not focusing up. But this is a small sports band right here. I guess for smaller people. I might have to wear the small myself. My wrist isn't too big, so I might have to switch the sports band. But you know, just a little regular black sports band. It brings the small one in here. And let's get into the watch, y'all. Right over here. Shit. Right over here we have the watch itself. It has a protector so it didn't cause no damage. But here's the watch itself, guys. You guys can see right there the screen. We're about to turn it on in a bit. It has the sports band. It brings a little protection. This is a large one. I'm gonna see if this one fits. I'll probably have to change the band as well. But before we get into this, let's see what the box has. So right here we can open this. And alright, right here we have a charger. We have a charger for the watch. And then we also have the little USB port to plug into the wall. So that's good, that's good. But we're gonna go ahead and get this started, guys. You know, get it started up. We'll take this off real quick for you guys. And then let's see. You know, it's gonna ask me to plug it into my phone and all that stuff. So I'll show you guys that process, and then we'll get into some of the features that the Apple Watch has itself. It's so clean. Like, it looks so clean. I don't even want to touch it at the moment because it looks so clean. No fingerprints on there. We'll go ahead and power it up though, and then we'll get it hooked up to my phone, and I'll show you guys some of the features that it has. Hopefully we can see some of the nice features that it has. Alright guys, so right now we're just trying to hook it up to our phone, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the features that it brings. Let's see, align with it. Asking me to align it. You guys see how it get changed right there. So let me just do this real quick. I'm gonna try to focus it up on here. Alright, that's real cool. What's on my phone is like on the Apple Watch itself. That's really nice. And right here, set up manually. It asks you which wrist you're gonna wear it on as well, right or left or whatever. I'm gonna wear it on my right, so I'm gonna put right. Let's see. Yeah, I guess right. It asks you like all types of stuff. It asks you 2 questions, not all types of stuff. It asks you like what side you're gonna wear it on, the watch and all that. You have to agree to the terms. I don't think I don't think anybody ever reads all that stuff. It's just too much to read. Just press agree, and then it's signing in and it's setting it up. It says this may take a few minutes, so we might have to skip back to the part, guys, wherever we finish getting set up, depending on how long this takes. If it takes too long, we'll just cut to the part, you know, when we get it set up. And by the way, I didn't even do like a full hands-on. In the back right here, you guys can see this is where you charge it. I believe this is where you it reads your heart rate, all that stuff. And then it says right here, you guys can see the size. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it. Like, yeah, right there you can see it says medium, large. The size 42, and then right here it just says Apple Watch Series 3. Let me know what you guys think about the Apple Watch, man. It's the black one, space gray, with the black sports band. It actually looks, it doesn't look, you know, that space gray is actually black. It doesn't look gray, or yeah, whatever, space gray. I like it real nice though. It's real nice. I like the color. I like this color better than the other ones. You know, it's just simple. It's just a black color, so you could, you know, instead of that gold. I like the gold one though as well. Let me know if you guys have the watch as well though. Let me know which ones you guys have. If you guys have the series 1, 2, 3, whatever you guys have, let me know. And you know, I just want to know which ones you guys have. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cool features still setting up. It says workout routine. Alright guys, so we got it set up and everything on here on my phone. It's real cool. You guys can change the cover, all that stuff. You guys are gonna be able to see it. Let me see. Let me try to turn it off, and you guys are gonna be able to see the cover and whatnot. Right there, look, I just put a little jellyfish on there. It's gonna move. It like moves. That's really nice. You guys can change on here on your phone. From your phone, you guys can change whatever your wallpaper you want it to be. You can set up like you can change the side of the wall where you want the time. You can put the weather on there, your messages, whatever you want. You can put on the main screen as well. This little button right here. The little button right here is how you get your apps. So right, we press that. That's how you get all your apps. And then, you know, you guys have the basic function. You guys could call people from here. You guys can also text from here. I wish this camera would focus up a bit more so we could you guys could see it a little bit more. If I put the phone up here, it focuses more. But then, so you guys could download apps all over here, and you guys can see y'all pictures. Through the phone is where you download. They have an app store just specifically for the Apple Watch itself. You guys can download Nike Run. You guys can download many apps it brings. But one of the neat features that I like about this, I think, is just how you could text from it, and you can check the weather. You guys can do like almost anything, man. You guys can do almost anything, and I don't know, it's just nice. It's something that really helps you. If you have one, let me know. Let me know what series you guys have. It has a lot of features. Let me try to see the activity you guys run. If you guys work out a lot, I know some people work out a lot. I know I had you could play Spotify here. I had Spotify, and it, oh, they put this app on here, Cold, since I bought it from there, I guess. Cause I don't even have this on my phone, the app. But I guess they put that in. I don't know. I guess because they sell it from there. What else is cool? Oh no, it's downloaded all the ones I have. It's downloaded on Lace, Instagram. That's nice. Like I said, like a little phone, but in a watch. But I really wanted one of these. I've been waiting to get an Apple Watch, and I was like, you know what? Why not just get it now? Let me just invest in the Apple Watch now. Let me just get one. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and get one. I'm trying to show you guys the features of it. I'm trying to show you some. I know you could text through it. You guys could do phone calls. The apps, you can use the apps through it. All this good stuff. Look, it's downloaded the apps that I have on my phone to it, like Instagram, my pictures, all that stuff that I have on my phone. It's the way through it. And the cool thing about this too as well, guys. Let me show you guys this, cause let me show you guys this. The best thing about this is that it's waterproof, guys. I think that's the best thing about this, is that it's just waterproof. How do you get it? Let me see. There. Alright, so right here has a little drop. And what this does, it drains like the water from the phone. Like, say there's water, turn digital crown to unlock. I don't know what it said. I need to check water. Oh, gotcha. So you gotta turn this, and right there it's unlocking it, and it's like draining out the water. I think that's really cool how you can like take showers with it, take it for swim. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I just don't, you know, I don't like technology getting wet. Even though it says waterproof, even though it's waterproof, I don't know, you know, I just, you know, I don't know. I think that's really neat as well. It has its own little flashlight, like the screen gets really bright when you press it in the night. It's just nice, bro. It just looks, it's like the graphics even look nice. It just looks really nice. What else can I show you guys from this? Let's see. Like I said, you guys can see all the messages right there. Text back. It's really nice, man. It's a really nice feature. Let's see. The emails, I have a lot of emails that I don't even like read. I know you guys probably do too. All the stores sending you emails or whatnot. But there you guys have it, man. The Apple Watch unboxing. I'm gonna be wearing this probably daily. Probably only take it off when I go swimming or go take a shower. But there you guys have it. Much love to everybody that enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys have. Let me know if you guys want Apple Watch, man. Let me know, man. Let me know in the comment section. Appreciate the love, man. We're grinding it up. Much love to everybody. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, you know. I really don't do a lot of unboxing videos, but I'm gonna start just doing unboxing videos for like big things that I do get. So appreciate the love. God bless. Make sure you guys sub up to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Appreciate the love.
Shoot a movie on Vivo. Y'all don't eat up the lingo.